Baking soda can be much more useful in the garden than most people realize. You probably already have it at home, and you do not need expensive products or complicated recipes for these preparations. Today I'll show you 3 simple ways you can use it around your vegetables. The first method is designed to help protect plants from fungal problems. Add 1 small teaspoon of baking soda to half a gallon of water. Baking soda can change the conditions on the surface of the leaves, making it more difficult for some fungi to develop. Then add half a tablespoon of granulated garlic. Garlic is rich in sulfur compounds that have natural antifungal properties. That is why it is often used in preparations against fungal diseases such as powdery mildew and downy mildew. These compounds can make it harder for fungi to develop and spread on plants. Mix everything well, strain it, and lightly spray the leaves. For the second preparation, we're going after unwanted pests. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to half a gallon of water. Then add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon contains natural aromatic compounds that can help repel certain pests. Mix everything well before use and strain it through cheesecloth. Apply a thin layer to the leaves and stems. Before spraying the entire plant, it is best to test a small amount on a few leaves. Now we come to the third use, which is intended as a plant feed. Add half a tablespoon of baking soda to half a gallon of water. Baking soda can be a useful addition in a small amount, but here it is only one part of the complete combination. Next, add 1 small teaspoon of wood ash. Wood ash contains potassium and calcium, both of which are important for strong and healthy plant growth. Potassium supports the formation and development of fruits, while calcium strengthens plant cell walls and contributes to stronger leaves, stems, and fruits. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of nettle. Nettle is especially rich in nitrogen, but it also contains iron, magnesium, and other minerals. Nitrogen is essential for producing new leaves and stems and supports strong green growth. That makes nettle a useful ingredient when you want to give your plants additional nutritional support. Mix everything thoroughly and use it in moderation. With homemade preparations like these, more is not always better. Also, avoid spraying during extreme heat or strong sunlight. Tell me in the comments how you use baking soda in your garden. See you in the next video.